Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The video title is, How to Change Network in Trust Wallet, Easy Guide, 2025. If you're using Trust Wallet and need to switch networks, like from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Trust Wallet is one of the most popular mobile wallets for managing your cryptocurrencies securely, and changing networks is a breeze once you know the steps. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone. If you don't, head to the App Store or Google Play and download it for free. Once you're in the app, start by opening it and entering your passcode or using biometric authentication for security. Now, let's get to the main steps. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Wallet or Networks. It might vary slightly based on your app version, but it's usually straightforward. Once you're in Networks, you'll see a list of supported chains like Ethereum, BNB Chain, or Polygon. To change the network, simply tap on the one you want to switch to. For example, if you're currently on Ethereum and want to go to BNB Chain, select it from the list. The app will prompt you to confirm the change, so double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. After confirming, the wallet will update, and your assets might refresh to show balances on the new network. One quick tip. Always double-check your transactions after switching networks to ensure everything's working smoothly. This is crucial because different networks have their own tokens and smart contracts. There you have it. That's how you change networks in Trust Wallet in 2025. It's that simple and secure. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.